Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, I wanted to make my wig. I have already done this part. Then I remember that why don't I show you guys how I'll be making my wig? Yeah, I already put the closure before I remember to film this. So I'll be taking you guys to the journey on how I decided to make this wig. Yeah, I'll show you guys the outcome of the wig. But I can be able to if I can be able to video some parts while making the wig, sure I will, so that you guys can see, because some people are doubting Thomas. They will say, she's going to do it outside and still bring it and tell us that she's the one that did it. So if I can be able to, maybe I'll change position of where I am right now, so that if I can be able to keep my phone somewhere and be doing the wig, yeah, so I can show you guys, so that people don't doubt me when I say I'm the one that made the wig. All right, guys, come with me. Ciao. Alright guys, I think I'm done with the wig. And this was the outcome of the wig. Sorry about the light. I think I'm too close to the window. Okay, this is the final outcome of the wig. Alright, let me install it. Okay, this is the final review of the week. Wow, this is nice. I can't believe I make this by myself. I think this is the first time I'm actually making a wig. This is my first time. I can't believe I did this on my own. Like, wow, I'm so happy. And okay, you know what? Let me spray water on the wig and also show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. Alright guys, I sprayed water on the hair and this was the final outcome. Guys, what do you think? Is this not nice? Is this not beautiful? Actually, God gave us our hands to use them. It's actually a human being that does this. It's not an alpha god. Hey guys, you can do it on your own, guys. You can do it on your own. That's why we have our phone and the internet. Our phone is only for Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Instagram. You can also learn lovely things from there. I'm telling you, can this as I am now. I don't think there's anything I can't really do with this my hands. Maybe something I can watch and do. I don't think there's anything I can watch that I can't do with this my hands. I can do them perfectly well. Yeah, perfectly well. I am saying it again. This is actually my first time of trying this without anybody teaching me. No, without anybody teaching me. Nobody taught me. I just had to use my phone, go to the internet, browse it out, watched it. Guys, just look at this hair. It's wet now, actually. Guys, look at this hair now. Is this not nice? Is this not nice? Just tell me, is this not nice? Is this not nice? Guys, is this not beautiful? Hmm? There's nothing I can do with this my hands, guys. I love learning. I love learning. Maybe someone might be doing something now and you might think that my mind is not there, but you don't know I'm watching you. If it's something that is going to, I know that will will be useful for me later in the future. When you're doing them, I'll be looking at you. I'm trying to learn. Yeah, I'm trying to learn. So I don't think there's something that you can do with your hands now that you tell me, okay, come and try it, and I say I cannot do it. No, I can. And even if I can't do it, I will tell myself I can do it. Yes, and I'll try it and I'll do it perfectly well. This is my first time of doing this week. I've always wanted to do it, but I've been posting myself today, tomorrow. But today, I said I'm not going to go anywhere because the last time I went to I went to make my wig here in Port Harcourt. The lady, I did it at Chuba. The lady collected 4-5 from me, and she ended up not using a nice net. I don't know whether I'll call it this swimming something that you use in covering your hair, your head when you were trying to swim. That was exactly what the woman used to make the wig for me, and I didn't really like it. So and when because I was there when she was making the wig, and she didn't even take up to an hour and she was done. I was like, so I just gave this woman this money right now without much stress. I didn't see anything stressful in it, although it might be stressful to some people, but I didn't really see anything stressful in it, seriously. So she just did it. I was like, okay, I will want to learn how to do this. So I had to go to my internet. I browsed it. I watched on YouTube. I watched series and series, and I was like, I think I'm ready to try this. I really want to do this on my own. Yeah, and I did it, and I'm happy. I'm impressed that I did it perfectly well. Please, if I didn't do it well, you guys can correct me. I'm here for correction. If you think I didn't do it well, you can leave your comment on the comment section on maybe where you think I made a mistake or something. I am here to learn, guys. I want to learn more. I want to learn everything. If it's possible for me to learn everything, I will learn everything. I will learn everything. Sometimes like this, I'll be like, I want to learn this one more. But busy. Eh? Busy. So guys, thank you for following. I think this is my best week for now. I think this week is off in my hand for now. Eh? This is gonna be one of my best weeks for now. Hmm? And guys, if I want to do it like this, oh God, what are you telling me? What are you telling me? If I want to move it like this, guys, now what for you people, I can do it. Gosh, I still look pretty. What do you think? Anyway, guys, thank you for following me on this journey of making this lovely wig. And please, if you've not subscribed, try to. I'm going to bring so much to this channel: educative stuff, easy ways of life, easy way of making things, and to work for you. I'm going to bring it to this channel. If you've not subscribed, please try to subscribe and like the post as well. Thank you. Leave your comments on the comment section. Try to on your notification bell so that anytime I post, you will be the first to know. Thank you guys and have a lovely day.